Wallpaper is a great way to update a room, but it can be expensive and installing it can be pretty tedious. So, good news is there's so many ways to fake the look of wallpaper for a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for a way to add a bit more personalization in a room but don't want to invest too much time, use stamps. Yes, you heard me right. Stamps. It's an awesome way to bring out your own inner artist. Let me show you how. Here are the supplies you'll need. The first thing you want to do is make sure you paint the base coat on your wall. The base coat on this wall is Clark & Kensington's Stormy Weather. You're going to want to wait at least 4 hours before you apply that stamp color. Step 2, choose your stamp and the pattern. You can choose any stamp or make your own stamp out of craft foam and or cardboard. I'm choosing these stamps I grabbed from the kids' playroom. As far as pattern, it's completely up to you. You can choose a random pattern or a more symmetrical pattern and mark off the wall using painter's tape. I'm choosing a casual pattern for these walls. The color I'm choosing for the stamp is Clark & Kensington's Black Truffle. To apply the paint to the stamp, I'd recommend using a foam brush or putting a little on a paper plate. I would not recommend dipping the stamp in the paint because it can get really messy and you might get too much paint on that stamp. Remember that imperfections are okay. We're going for a hand-stamped look, so don't fret about the uneven stamps. You can always go back with a brush if you need to do a little touch-up. I love the look of these stamps. It's like a leaf pattern and everyone is different, just like the leaves outside. I'm so happy with how this accent wall turned out. It's super fun and it's a bit of my own art right there on the wall for my family to enjoy. I've got another great example of an easy accent wall coming up, so keep watching.